Max, here's the shopping list. Please take the basket. Go to the market and buy these items. Be careful and come back soon.
Don't worry, Papa. I'll buy everything on the list. See you soon.
Aha! Ah!
Bread, check. Can I have one?
Fresh bread? Of course, little man.
Fruit, check.
Aha!
Hello, sir. I like this large scarf. How much is it?
Hello, my young friend. This large scarf is 5 coins.
Here are 5 coins. Thank you.
Thank you. This large scarf is yours now. I hope it keeps you warm.
Thank you very much. I forgot the milk!
Where's the milk, Max?
Dad, I bought a warm scarf
For who?
for a cold old lady. She is our neighbor.
Good boy. That is very kind.
I want her to feel warm.
She will be very happy. I am proud of you. You noticed what she needed most. Look, it is raining. The rain is heavy. No picnic today. I am sad. This is the basket. It is empty.
I have an idea.
I am very tired. I will rest.
Shh! I need a big blanket. I am quiet. This blanket is big. It has many colors. It is heavy. I am pulling it. 1 chair. 2 chairs. I am pulling it to the chairs. Push them together. Now they are close. Put the blanket over the chairs. It makes a roof. It is a tent. Tuck the blue blanket under. Now add the yellow blanket on top. It is very cozy. Here is the basket. I put it inside. Click. The fairy lights are on. They are bright.
Where is Max? The room is quiet. Oh, look. What is that? It is a blanket fort. I am walking to the fort. It is colorful.
Hello, Dad. Come inside. Come here.
I am lifting the blanket. I am looking inside.
I am making space. Come in, please.
Wow. I see cushions. I see the lights. It is magic.
Look at my fort, Dad.
I am happy. Thank you, Max. I love you.
You are smiling now. I am glad.
I am crawling inside. It is soft.
Sit here. Are you happy, Dad?
Here are the sandwiches. We are eating. Look at your big smile.
Thank you. The sandwich is good.
It is yummy.
Yes, very yummy.
I am hugging you. You are warm. Together is best.
I love hugs. We are together.
The rain is falling, but inside we are warm. We are safe. We are happy. Time to collect the eggs. They are gone. A thief took them. Look for clues!
Sam is searching. Max is observing.
Where are they?
I will follow this.
I will catch the thief!
The grass is very tall. I will walk slowly. Maybe I will find another feather. Oh, I found a white feather. I am very happy. I will pick it up. Look, more little feathers are over there. I will keep going. Whoa! Look, a duck! Hello, little duck. You are so pretty. I am happy to see you. The eggs are here. They are safe. The mother duck is happy. I will stay quiet.
Oh, no thief. Patience reveals the truth.
Look, Papa. This is my volcano. I made it today. I worked hard. Do you like it?
Yes, Max, I like it very much. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Papa. I am happy.
You can do many great things.
I will. Thank you for helping me. I am ready. Huh?
Who?
I will help you. I can help you. You're welcome. Thank you. Your arm is hurt. I will help you. I will tie your shoe.
Thank you, Max.
Max, it's your turn. Please come to the front and show us your project.
Oh, okay, Miss Emma.
Go ahead, Max. Where is your project?
My project. I forgot my project. I'm sorry, Miss Emma.
Thank you for telling the truth, Max. Please sit down, Max. We'll talk about this after class.
Yes, Miss Emma. I'm sorry.
Why are you sad?
I helped them. I forgot.
Keep your promise too.
Please have your projects ready before presentations after recess.
I'll be right back. I just need to put my project away first.